All right, everybody. So today we are going to continue our making our Humvee street worthy, and part of it is to replace this old seatbelt. Yeah. So we're gonna get rid of this, and we are going to replace it with a brand new one that doesn't have. It's not like the 2-point seatbelt. It is the 3-point, I guess. So yeah. So yeah, this one is kind of like weird. It has one and then another one from the top. So yeah, we're gonna replace that old one with the new ones, and pretty straightforward. Top is the last one. And it's off. New one is going in exactly the same way. I think so. Leave it like that. I'm not gonna tighten it all the way. So I finally was able to release the seatbelt. That was crazy, guys. It was stuck so tight and I couldn't get it loose. So just managed to do that, and I'm ready to put this in where it's supposed to go. So, which is right there. And I'm kind of like being careful. I got enough slack here in case it would lock again. That was a little bit of a pain to get that back where it was supposed to be. So okay. Okay, so this one is back in. And it looks like it's working well. And now we are going to stretch this guy. I think it's gonna go just straight here. I don't even know if we need that whole bracket thing here, but I might put it back. I'm not sure. So I'm gonna tighten this guy. This guy's in, and this one is in. Okay. This one right here. It'd be so nice to have those seat belts, which is awesome. And that's it. So next, what I'm gonna do is just get rid of that, and let's see if I can do it with the drill. It would be much nicer. Yep. But the battery is still good, but the drill is just dead. Uh-oh, and there is smoke coming out of my drill. Great. Why do I have smoke out of my drill? Come on. Don't do that. Don't do that. So it looks like my impact wrench or drill just died on me. So I guess it's gonna have to do it by hand here. Alright, so let's see what we got here. Nice, this is off. Got it off, so now I'm gonna do exactly the same thing. And it's crazy, like I didn't know if to go with the long one. Like I have also the one for the rear seats. Didn't know if to go with these ones or the other one. So I'm just gonna have to see. I'll show you guys the difference here in a second. Come on. Alright, so here is the short one. So I think I'm gonna go with the short one. Looks to me like it's gonna be better in this case. Just like this. And it's crazy, it doesn't really fit inside that, so it's harder to put it in. But we'll see how it's gonna work. I'm gonna have to somehow push it in. Probably once I'm gonna start tightening it in, it's gonna be better, but let's see if it will grip. Alright, let's see if it works. There you go. Works. Awesome. Yep. Now it's gonna feel like a normal car. Awesome. So let's go ahead and do the other side. I would love to use my impact drill, but it doesn't work. Right, so gotta use that and do it by hand. All right, gonna go get the seat belt, the new one, and we'll continue. Alright, so I've pretty much assembled everything here. It's getting late, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start tightening everything down. That one's a little bit bigger. Something like this, since it's gonna be in that angle. Okay. Now this guy, I already put it in here. I just need to tighten it, and that's pretty much it. Works. looks like it works. Looks like everything is good. Alright guys, just a little bit of a recap here for the seat belts installation. To be honest, it was a pain in the butt. My drill broke down, my impact drill broke down, couldn't use it. The seat belts were stuck when I got them. Not sure why, but they were stuck, and I was having a pretty hard time with releasing them so they would actually won't be stuck. And the thing is that they were short and they were stuck, and I didn't have a lot of slack to actually release the mechanism, and it was just stuck. And yeah, so that took a long time. I didn't want to bore you guys with that, so I didn't, but it was a pain in the butt, but it's done. So we are a step closer to getting on the road. Hell yeah. All right, see you in the next one.